It's raining, it's Monday morning, but we're here, so we're going to talk about this 2012 Volvo single axle day cab tractor for you. Volvo horsepower under the hood at 385, fuller 10-speed behind it for you, 23,000 pound rear, 12,000 pound front axle. Let's take a walk around, see what we got going on. Hood is missing that vent for you, otherwise looking pretty good. Cab's okay, little paint removal there on the A-post. Back of the cab looks good. Dual fuel tanks for you on this one. Tires looking all right. We'll get you some numbers when you give us a call. Airbags holding airframe looking good for you. DEF underneath the driver's door. Air tanks looking good. Air ride seat on the inside. Again, 10-speed fuller. AC present but not working. Nice, well-kept, fleet-maintained truck. One marker light out. The low beam headlights don't seem to be working right. Washers, wipers, city horn blower, okay. No ABS light present. Check engine light is on. It was driven here from a bit of ways away, so does drive and run well. So give us a call, come on by, check it out. Lots of parts, lots of pieces for these whole runners projects. Give us a call, we'll give you a deal. Lots of trailers available, put it together, come by. Best prices on the East Coast.